See this hat? It's fat as shit. I got it online, American made. I'll tell you where it's at. People keep asking me about it. Textiles in America used to be a large product base, especially throughout New England. We don't really make a lot of stuff now, but I found this online. I can tell you where to get it in just a second. First, it's made of soft acrylic, not like this crap you find everywhere else. You actually find this crap everywhere, but not in America. This stuff is great. Honestly, my friend asked me about it, so I told him I'd make a little video. It cost me about $19, which is actually a reasonable price for a nice hat. And it is made in the US. I pop it open. Look at that winner right there. Several different colors, shapes, sizes. Check them all out. I'll leave my affiliate link down in the description below. The hat is made by Armycrew. They make custom hats, baseball caps if you're worried about the summer, not the winter. Winter, they have these different sizes, different shapes, different colors. You can find everything you want at their website, armycrew.com. They are not sponsoring me, but I have my affiliate link down in the description below. I make a tiny commission from that. But I really just wanted to plug the product because I was happy to find something made in America. So that's why I'm making this video. We upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Lots of stuff coming in 2025. I'll see you guys soon.